Hey guys, we're now going to learn how to decrease an amount by a certain percent. How do we do that? We basically take away the percent from 100% and then times it by the amount. Let's look at the example to understand it even better. Decrease $30 by 5%. So our $30 is going to go down by 5%. What do we do? $30 times 100% minus 5%. Normally, when we're increasing, we add. When we're decreasing, we take away. 100% take away 5% and then times it by the amount. 30 times 100 take away 5, 95%. We are decreasing, so we take away from 100. That's the rule. 100% take away 5%. 30 times 95%, and you can grab your calculator and you're going to get $28.50. The $30, it decreased by 5%. It went down and became $28.50. So how do we decrease? We take away the percentage from 100%. Let's do another couple of more examples. The next example says decrease 600 millimeters by 30%. So we have 600 millimeters in length. We're going to decrease it. It's going to go down by 30%. And we said when we decrease, we take away the 30% from 100%. Let's do it and see how it's done. 600 millimeters times, we're decreasing, so 100%. What are we doing? We're taking away 30% because we're decreasing 30%. We're going down. 100 take away 30. So 600 times 100 take away 30 is 70%. 600 times 70%. Again, grab your calculator, keep it handy, work it out. You should get 420 millimeters. So the 600 millimeters, it decreased 30%, it went down 30%, and it became 420 millimeters. How do we do it? 100% take away 30%, we get 70, 600 times 70, 420 millimeters, from 600 all the way down to 420 millimeters. Now we're going to do a worded problem. It says, Halima wants to buy a pair of shoes with a marked price of $89. So the price that she wants to buy the shoes for is $89. That's the marked price. That's what the price tag says. She wants to use her 30% off voucher. So she has a voucher that says 30% off. How much will Halima pay for the shoes after using her voucher? So after she uses her voucher, it's going to come down and the price is going to be discounted because it says 30% off. Now, discount or 30% off means her price is going to go down. So she's going to pay less for the shoes. Now, let's work out using decreasing, using a percentage, how we're going to work it out. The marked price for the shoes is $89. We're decreasing because she has her voucher 30% off. And to decrease, we take away from 100%. So $89 times 100%, take away 30%. 89 times 70%. Let's see what the new price will be for the shoes. 89 times 70%. She'll be paying $62.30. So as you can see, the price went down from $89 to $62.30. That's the new price for the shoes. Why? Because the shoe price went down, it decreased by 30% because of the voucher she had. 100%, take away 30%, 70%, 89 times 70%. That's the way to work out and to decrease an amount by a percentage. We'll do one more example. Our last example, an online store has a 20% sale on all computers. The marked price for a computer I want is $780. What price will I pay after the discount? So here, this online store has advertised that there is a computer for $780. However, we have a sale 20% off. So again, $780 is going to decrease by 20%. It's going to come down. So the same working out. 780 is our original price times, it's going to decrease 100% minus the 20%, 780 times 100%, take away 20%, 80%. So 100% take away the 20%, 80%, 780. Grab your calculator, 780 times 80%. The new price for the computer will be $624. So it's a newly discounted price. It's a lower price. It was $780, but from this online store, after 20% off, after the amount has decreased by 20%, it becomes $624.